The first pre-cut membrane piece is placed on the deck and unrolled to fit in its pre-designated location. Once unrolled and lying flat on the deck surface, an end or a side of the membrane is folded back onto itself, exposing the deck surface. The solvent adhesive is applied to the back of the membrane and the deck surface using a medium nap paint roller. Solvent adhesive requires a curing time before the membrane can be laid into the glued substrate. The drying process typically requires 15 to 20 minutes depending on the ambient temperature. Once the adhesive has sufficiently dried, the membrane is laid into the deck adhesive. Some installers pre-glue the membrane for a quicker installation. In any case, the membrane is rolled with vinyl floor rollers or compressed to the deck surface to ensure complete adhesive contact. As the membrane is installed, seams required should have an overlap of 1 inch to 1 1/2 inches. The seams are also shingled so any water drainage flows over the seam. It's important to keep any adhesive from contaminating the seaming area prior to hot air welding. Ultimately, being careful is the best practice. However, some dealers use painter's tape to cover the seaming area in the event of an unforeseen spill.